In this video, I will show you how to upload high quality 4K videos on YouTube. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up YouTube on your device. Once you've done that, come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the gear icon to open up your settings. From here, what you want to do is scroll down to the video and audio preferences section, and you're going to see an option for upload. So what you want to do is press onto upload. In here, you're going to see two options, upload quality and upload over Wi-Fi only. What you want to do is press onto upload quality, and if it's not already, you want to set this to full quality. By default, it's normally set to 1080p, which is equivalent to full HD, but if you want to upload high quality 4K videos, you want to go for full quality, and that's going to upload any videos from your device. When you upload them to YouTube, that's going to be in 4K quality. So that is how to upload high quality 4K videos on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.